So today I'll be braiding my hair. Yeah, so ever since I moved to the US, I've been my personal hairdresser, and I don't like braiding my hair myself because it's so stressful. I mean, I think the first time I braided my hair, it looks so, I didn't like it, even though people said it was so nice. I think the second time I did better. Then the third time it was beautiful, but it was too long. And afterwards, I've tried to cornrow my hair with attachments, and it's been nice. So the reason why I braid my hair myself is because, I mean, the braid hair here in Salt Lake City, even though I've not really seen braiders like that, and the ones that I see are not close to me, so which is why I prefer to braid my hair myself. Another thing is the cost. Like, the cost is too much. I'm not going to say it's expensive. No, it's not expensive, but I can't afford it. Like, there's a difference between something being expensive and being able to afford it. It's not expensive, but I can't afford it. I mean, before I used to say it's expensive, but when I started braiding my hair myself, nah, trust me, it's not expensive, but I really cannot afford it. Because I remember when I was in Nigeria, my mom wanted me to learn hairdressing even before I knew I was gonna travel. But I don't like the fact that you have to stand for like hours just because you want to braid somebody's hair. So imagine you having to stand for like sometimes 8 hours, and you feel like you would want to charge the amount you think is okay for you. Do you understand? So for me, I don't think the price is expensive, because if I'm a braider as well, I'm going to charge the same amount. It's not expensive, but I can't afford it. So that is why I prefer to braid my hair myself. And all of these attachments, I brought them from Nigeria. My mom loaded my box with attachments when I was coming to Utah. When I was in Nigeria, I don't have all these products. I don't have all of these products because I want to make my hair like, once I use moisturizer, I use my hair max. Yes, I'm out. But now, because we have, not we actually, they have dry hair in Utah. Like, the hair is so dry, so anything you put in your hair, the hair dries it out. So that's why that my hair is currently so dry. And aside from that, yeah, so basically I'll be braiding my hair today. So maybe you've been trying to make your hair yourself and you feel like you can't do it. Trust me, you can do it. Before I left Nigeria, I've never actually tried to braid my hair myself, because why do I have to? I don't have to braid my hair by myself when there are people who are everywhere that can make my hair that can help me make my hair. So I've never had to worry about making my hair myself or not. So if you are still in Nigeria and you are thinking of traveling abroad, trust me, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. It's like back 500 weeks. There are days you still feel like braiding your hair, and you might even be lucky. You might be able to afford the braiding prices. But for me, because I can't afford it, again, emphasis on afford. I can't afford it. I'm just a student who is trying to make herself proud. So I can't afford it yet. But yeah. Okay, so I'll be parting each of them in 4, like 4. So this will be 4, this will be 4. since like I think 2 hours now. So this is all I've braided for 2 hours. And I'm still in the front and I still have all of this to do. So I just finished braiding my hair now. I'm done braiding my hair. So yeah, the front looks kind of funny. That's because I don't have front hair. So yeah, so I'll just, what I'll do right now is I'll dip it in hot water and I'll style the front. I think I patted it well, right? Yeah, I think so. I think it's a bit manageable. Yeah. I made it big on purpose because I don't have the time. Imagine spending 6 hours on just this. Imagine what would have happened if it was not 6 hours. I mean, sorry, if it was tinier than this. Nah, taking the whole time. So, yeah. I think I like it. But my back, gosh, it's so painful. Like my back is paining me right now. I've been sitting since 1 o'clock. What's the time? Yeah, since 1 o'clock. This is 7:30. So I spent approximately 6 hours, 30 minutes, or close to 7 hours thereabouts. But yeah, I love my new look. So what I will do now, I'll dip it in hot water and do the front. I will show you guys the everything when I style it. Yeah.